Hey, sweetie.
Underwear.
Underwear. I feel so silly.
Well, you certainly can't march in the parade in your underwear. No, sirree.
No.
But I'm afraid I have to. Look what it says in my story. The Emperor marches in the parade in his underwear.
Oh, no, no.
In my underwear. Oh, I'm so embarrassed.
Superwide to the rescue! With the power to read, I can change this story and save the day.
Zeus.
Change the word underwear in the sentence. Ready, set, zap!
Xavion.
Why, writer?
Xavion.
Super readers, which word should we use?
Oh,
so
you
the
giving
emperor
Dora
doesn't feel
kisses.
silly marching in the parade. Barrel, banana, or clothes? Let's try barrel. Which word is barrel? It has two R's in the middle. That one! Let's change the word underwear to barrel. Ready, set, set. Let's read the sentence and see what happens. The emperor marches in the parade in his barrel.
This is embarrassing too. I can't march in this barrel.
Did that help the emperor?
Zeus. Zeus. Will you stop?
No. No. He would still feel silly
Xavion.
marching in the barrel. What should the emperor wear so he doesn't feel silly marching in the parade? Barrel, banana,